This is called paradox. I have a white frame. Inside I have many different pieces. Okay? I have many different pieces. And yet, let me put the pieces together. And you can see that it has lots of different possibilities. So let's say if I have these pieces here, to make the shape of a rectangle, make sure it fits in the frame. Now the mysterious part is, if I have an extra block and I put it here, a part would be sticking out and you can't fit the frame in it. But if I start to move shapes around, maybe I'll put this one here, and then I put this one here, and you slide some pieces around, you formed another rectangle with that extra piece, and yet you can fit the frame around it. Now another possibility is, if I have another rectangle, how would that work? You know, if I put the rectangle here, of course it won't fit. But if I move pieces around, look, by magic, it slides, and I get my frame, and there you go. It fits the paradox.